Okay, to add most any printer to your Mac, you're going to start off by going to System Preferences. We're going to go to Printers and Scanners. From here, it's going to tell you what you have set up, if anything. From there, you'll be able to click your plus button to add a new type of printer. You can see I have my work printers and our back office printer. So I'm going to go ahead and try to add another printer, or at least kind of show you the process. So from there, it'll open. This is kind of what you're going to be going for at first, because you're going to want to see what's popping up on your Wi-Fi. On your Wi-Fi, you'll see that we already have, this is actually our printer. So from there, if I wanted to re-add this, I'm going to select this printer. Or whatever your printer is titled. The name and location will automatically fill in. Most of the time your use will as well. And from there you'll be able to just click add. Your use is going to be what driver is working. Okay, so from there you can see it automatically selected what we needed for the software. So then you just click add and then your printer will show up in this menu, which you can see mine is already there. Super, super easy. You can also set it to default. When you click on it, you can definitely rename it or set it as your default if you right click onto that. Super, super easy. So that's how you add a printer. Now when you're actually printing, there's a couple different ways. I've already clicked a print from my RealComp listing. This particular one I clicked from print to PDF. You can click print either way, it's going to get you to the same kind of screen. If you're printing it at our particular Keller Williams office and you have the Rioche printers here, you can't print from the screen. You have to click print using system dialog. For whatever reason, you have to have a code typed into our printer and it won't work. But for a normal office printer or at home printer, the screen will be fine. You'll just click print. If you need to change the printer, so I'm going to act like I'm going to change it at work, I'm going to go to our Rioche printer, and then I'm going to click our print using system dialog. Now for whatever reason you need to save a PDF and you can't get it to work from any type of PDF from here or the other little save option, you can actually do it via the Google Chrome, which on Mac I always recommend Google Chrome as opposed to Safari. What you'll click on is save as PDF. You'll click save and it'll ask you where you want to save it and what you want to save it as. So if you need to email this list to a client, then you don't want to actually just send them the link through RealComp, you can click save and save it to your desktop under, Bob and Mary Plymouth addresses and do it that way. So for this, I'll go through our Rioche printer and I'll show what it looks like also using the regular print system dialog. There's also another way to save it using this particular system as well. So you'll see kind of what that print dialog looks like. Super, super common, super easy. You'll want to make sure that it's your Rioche and whatever settings the office is programmed in there for you. Now if you want, again, to save this as a PDF, you can do it from this option down here. You can save it as a PDF, you can attach it to a mail, you can attach it in a message, anything like that, all from this screen. So if you want to save it as a PDF, you can do it here as well. It'll again bring up a save screen. So from there, you just click print and it'll go on to your printer. Super easy.